morning.
Bye-bye.
Ang sila pero po ay ninalo sa akin. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the kind of a good side of the ground. Good side of a good side. I'm a bit distracted because they are in the other country, you know.
Country mo.
Oh, yeah. They go here, we are in starting a band. We are starting a band. You all know that. You should know that different kinds of participate in the different kinds of practice in the instrument. You know, when we perform, we are very shy. And because of our pag-ibig
Seniors na tayo tutugan. Pero talagang di uno acoustic.
because of love, we are pag-ibig. This is the
Yes.
The egg bite. Egg yolk.
This is the
We love egg yolk, man.
This man is our friend.
This vocalist is the vocalist of the
Hindi ka mo tanang liwanag.
What can you say about your performance? You are very good. Doing for you.
Ang daw ay kakmano.
This is
Man,
the BT
egg yolk. Egg yolk is our friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tito.
Yes, and you know, I'm a very shy man, but I think I'm not.
We are very proud of ourselves, but I am shy.
But I can't do it anymore. I'm shy.
Look at this blue highlight.
I can see the blue highlight.
Yeah. Look at this pag-ibig. This is made by it's pag-ibig.
Yo, before we are coming to our farewell, this is the moment.
Can you see this?
Can you see this? Huh?
Yeah, I see that too.
I see this. Can you see this? You see this? This is the proof of the.
Hey, can you shake?
Bicep. Can you see my muscles like that?
Yeah.
Bicep. Oh, bicep, Mr. Bicep.
Oh!
We love Tita Carol.
We love egg yolk
Can you
band.
see this?
This is our friend's band. This is the egg yolk.
We are the
Can you
egg.
see this?
This is very, very. And this is the book, you know. Yeah.
Muna.